Momshies! Welcome back to my channel. This is Mel of Momshi Queen. It's time for my daily calm. This is by Hands of Provision. Today's Wednesday. I'm recording July 22, about 2 p.m. right now. So I'll be posting this later today. And I will start this with the daily additions. So today I brought in $50. Last time we stopped at July 16, the first time we did this challenge. So these are all freebies from Mary of the Hands of Provision. Okay, so $50 to start with. We will begin with choosing the category. For the left, my category is emergency funds, center is vacation, right is debt. So first, we will choose the category using the dice caller. I have it prepared right now. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we are doing 6 days. Okay, let's begin. No purple, green, blue, and red only. Okay, we have blue. So that's 17. Green for 18. No orange. We have red, yeah. No orange. And we keep getting orange. Okay, red is pink. Okay, that's 16, 17, 18, 19. $20. Okay, 2 more days. Oops. Next time I'll use the left, right, center. I'll do alternate color dice and left, right, center dices. Come on, blue. Okay, 1 more day. So another blue. Okay, and let's see if that's correct. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yes. Okay, now is the amount for each category. I'll use 2D3, so it will be faster. So 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Last round. 1 and 1. Okay, now let's go into our envelope. Okay, let's start with vacation. Goal is $1 to $3. We're adding 3. See, I haven't changed it into cash yet. I haven't went out to go to the bank because it keeps raining for the past few days. Let's go to vacation and add $3. Prop bills here is worth $50. Same as the amount here. Okay. So we are adding, sorry, got distracted. $3. So that would make it $15. I'll do the cash exchange later. So I won't get confused. Okay, let's get this. So I'll be using all the prop bills first. So here, one at the front. There we go. 5, 10, 15 for vacation. Okay, next one is emergency funds, $3 and $4. Emergency funds is here. $4. So that's 2 and 2. Total now is 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So let's exchange 5 and 1. No, 1 and 2. 18, right? 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. And then the last category is debt. Only got $2 today. So we have $6 here. We're adding 2. Total is $8. Okay, let's move to our daily randomizer. I'm using this envelope for this challenge. If you seek calm, look at the ocean. And let's use a color dice. This time, yellow, blue, or purple. Actually, it looks purple to me. Yellow, purple, and no pink. So we are getting pink as red. Okay, let's begin. No orange. Red means pink. So how many are we doing? D3. So we're doing 3. I changed the category for the pink, which was originally retirement. I changed it to my mom since I haven't been saving for her. So I choose her. So 3 pink. Let me just color it in and fast forward. Okay, there we have it, $3. Let's try again. Purple is debt payoff, and we are saving 2 of it. Okay, fast forward you again. All right, so let's try one last time. No green, no orange. Okay, another purple, and we are coloring one more. Okay, so let's add 2 first earlier. It's a total of 5. And another one now. So it's total of $6. Let's color one more. Let's do this. And let's see how much total we have now for daily randomizer. 5, 10, 11, and 12. Let's condense this into $2. All right, next one, 52-week challenge. And we are using a D3 for this. A D6, sorry. So we'll do 3 rows. That's a 6. Two more. 3. And one more. 4. Wow, we have a big one this time. 6 plus 4 is 10. 6, 3, and 4. So that's a total of $6, $10, $13. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, now 52-week challenge has a total of 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. $17. Okay, next is Domino Dots. You have a $2 IOU. Let's pay that off first. And let's move on to the next page. Okay, this is a D20 here. Do I have my D20? Nope, I don't have. Oh, by the way, this little pouch here is gifted to me by Crispy of Keeping It Crispy last year for my birthday. Included in her Happy Meal that I won from her for the giveaway. Okay, let's use D20 to find out how much this be the total. This is a D20, yeah. Okay, so we have 14. 14, it should be 14. So 14 minus 6 is the difference that we need to save. $8. That's the difference. $8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And now our total for this is 8, 10, 15, 17, $18. All right, 90 days. And I'm using, what dice did I use? I think I used a D6 to decide how many we will save with this challenge. And this is $1 each day. So let's use this. Oops. Okay, just one. That's $1. Let's do it again. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's a total of $6. And now what we have here in 90 days is 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and $14. All right, so we're done with this book. Let's move on to emergency funds. This is a member freebie, a welcome freebie from Save with Judy. I'm a member of her YouTube channel. And this is an emergency fund 1K savings. So last time we did $5. Now let's do another $5 today. One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay. We only have $1 left. Okay, we have $5 here, so total now is $10. Okay, so next one is the fridge game. This is from Hannah of Prop Budgets, purchased from Etsy, from her Etsy shop. The fridge game. Okay, I still haven't print the one section that I'm missing, so I'll have that for sure on the next time around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're using at least 6 to decide which section we are doing. We just have $1. Let's see. So section 2, main section is choose or roll for one or more snacks, save the amount. Do we have ooh, 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 ooh. We don't have $1 here, so what we'll do, I think we'll skip this time, and we'll get back to this the next time around. We'll start with this first, and then let's see if there's a $1 we can add in here from Lady Dicey's. This is a happy birthday saving challenge. I won this from her giveaway. I think this is available in her Etsy shop. I'll link everybody in the description box below. So if you're interested to get these items, please don't hesitate to visit their YouTube channel and their Etsy or Ko-fi shops. So this is $5. Let's see. Do we have an IOU for this? I think we do have, but I didn't. Oh, there we go. There's a $1 IOU. Let's just pay back off that IOU. Now this is a total of $5. Okay, so let's just remember that we'll start with the fridge game next time. This one next, and then we'll start again at the daily comp. Okay, now let's see if we can condense to cash. Daily edition, emergency funds has 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, let's change this prop bills to the real cash. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Vacation, 5, 10, 15. Condense the prop bills. 15. Depth, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nothing to condense. Daily randomizer, 5, 10, 12. Nope. 52-week challenge, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay, we don't have 2s here. 17, maybe not. Okay, dominoes, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We can change this 2 to 1 to 5. 5, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 90 days has 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Let's condensed 2, 2, and 1. 14, so 1, 1, 4, 2, and this 2. So it's 14, 5, 10, 12, 13, 14. Emergency was 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you have any more 5s here? No. Oh, we have the 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 2. That's $10. Yeah. And here we have $3 for the fridge game. And then here we have $5. Okay. So let's make our markings that we have to start with this one. It's just this paper clip. All right, and that $40 cash will be in here. All right, that's all I have for you today. We are going for swimming at 6 p.m. So we'll take advantage of the 3 days sunny days because during the weekends there's going to be a typhoon coming in. So these are only days that it won't be raining, according to the observatory, of course, based on that. So yes, we'll take advantage of these 3 days to go out because my kids are bored now, staying at home because of all the rain since the summer start. All right, so please subscribe. Consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. Leave me a comment down below. Hit the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. And make sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever I uploaded a new video. So have a great day, guys. Thank you for staying if you're still here. And bye.